What if I told you that there were credit building tools that could add positive credit to your account for as little as $5 with no hard inquiry and no credit checks? Let me ask you a real question. Now, if your credit is stuck, you're paying bills on time, but nothing is moving. So today we're going to talk about Kickoff and Kovo and how to use them the right way and not like the broke way where like you use it and just mess it all up. Because you have like Kickoff like $5 a month, to build your credit. That's easy good stuff. You can put that on auto pay and never miss a payment. Let's start with Kickoff. Now, Kickoff is a credit building platform that allows you to build credit by just simply adding on a trade line. Now, trade lines are important, you guys know, right? Some people will buy other people's like trade lines or whatever and stuff like that. This ain't that. This is your own account in your own name, so there's no trouble and you're not like purchasing expensive trade lines. This is not a loan. This is not you getting cash, but this is you strictly building up your credit portfolio, building up what your ability is to make payments over time while building up your credit scores for less. Now, the plans at Kickoff start at $5 a month. Kickoff reports to Experian, Equifax, and TransUnion. They create a credit line, often around $750, sometimes more, depending on the plan you chose. Now, if you choose the $5 plan, you'll get a $750 line of credit. Now, the good thing about it is that, let's say if you choose the $750 plan 1 month, but you come in a little extra money and you want to go up, you can do that. And then if you want to go back down, you can do it as well, but don't go back down. If you go up, don't go back down. I'm telling you, it's going to tank your scores, just so you know. Now, every month you pay on time, that actively gets reported to the credit bureaus. Of course, building that payment over time. So let me show you Kickoff real quick. Y'all, I done forgot how to share my screen. Okay. Woo. All right. Okay. So guys, as you can see, and I'm looking at the screen too, if you see me looking the opposite direction. I love this company. I've spoken to them over at Kickoff. There's some really lovely people, I might say, and I trust them. And they've been around for a while anyways. They do what they say, and they're like quite a big company now. So the 4 most valuable things that you're going to need if you are starting to build your credit, or if you're rebuilding your credit, Kickoff offers you. Okay, the number 1 thing is they report to all 3 credit bureaus, right? They build payment history, which establishes what your ability to make payments over time is. It lowers your credit utilization if you already have some stuff on there that you need that utilization to go down, and it builds your credit age. Okay, now guys, this is how you work. It's really easy to sign up. The link for Kickoff is going to be in my description, and yes, I am affiliated with Kickoff, so that's why their link is in my description. And basically, you're telling them, if you go to them, you're telling them you're coming from Tina Talks Credit, and you will get a deal. Okay, so you're just basically, you can do it on your phone. Sign up. You can start at $5 a month. You can take your credit even further with powerful extras. It says negotiate debt, build credit with a rent you already pay. So they offer several things. Now they'll report your rental payments and other payments. They do credit monitoring there. Bill reporting, if you pay AT&T, if you pay Netflix, like all of that stuff they do, and for very, very low prices. As you can see, the $5 plan is going to get you a $750 trade line reporting to your credit report. Okay, then they report to all 3 bureaus, weekly credit report. They're going to give you a weekly updated credit report, tools and tracking insights. Okay, now the $20 plan, it gives you a $2,500 line of credit reported on all 3 credit bureaus, access to a Kickoff secured credit card, which is cool. I'm not too big on the secured credit cards. For me, I'll pass on that one. You can do that if you want. It will only help you, as well, if you don't mess it up, like if you make your payments on time, you're good. But for me, if you're using Kickoff, and then if you go and use Kovo just by building your credit, by the time you've used it for about 90 days, you should be able to go ahead and get your own unsecured credit card rather than a secured credit card. So that's my reasons for not opting for the secured credit card. Now, for $35 a month, as you can see, you get all of the perks of basic and premium. So they're going to report to all three credit bureaus, give you a $3,500 trade line reported on your account, and they're going to also do rent reporting for you and all the other things. So, I mean, I'm mad at that. Like, go Kickoff. You heard me? Go. I love this company. It's really cool and it is legitimate, and it really will help you build your credit. No credit check. You don't have to worry about credit, no interest, none of the things. So it's a good company. It's a good company. I'm mad at that company at all. And so the next company that I want to show you guys is going to be Kovo. So we're going to talk a little bit about Kovo and how they work. This is an installment-based credit builder, not a trade line, okay? So just want to be clear on that at first. There's no credit check. Now, you pay $10 a month for 24 months. The total cost is about $240. You cannot beat that. Some of you guys can just pay that out of your pocket right now. You're done. So $10 a month payments, 24 months. I ain't mad at that. It also reports to not 3 bureaus, but 4. You see those fingers? It reports to the 4th largest credit bureau, and it is Innovis. And so Experian, TransUnion, Equifax, and Innovis. I always say that this is huge because a lot of people sleep on Innovis just because Innovis doesn't necessarily provide an actual credit score. But you got a lot of lenders out there, they look at Innovis, and sometimes you get denied because of Innovis, and you might not realize it, but Innovis it's the real thing. So this is going to be huge for thin line credit files and bad credit, rebuilding after collections or charge-offs or bankruptcy. Like, all of this stuff is going to help you build your stuff up. And a lot of people will get this stuff and they'll get built up, and then like 4 months later, they're like, listen, can you get those accounts taken off my credit report? Because I don't want lenders to see that I had to use credit builders. And then they're pretty good about that too, guys, helping us out. So, I mean, that's just a little nugget. Let's just go to their website and I'll show you. That's the wrong thing. I keep clicking on the wrong thing, trying to share. I should know this by now. All right, Kovo. Love this company. This is one of my favorites, y'all. Just because they report to Innovis, it's a installment plan, so that really builds your ability to make payments over time. Look at that. 4 bureaus, all right? And so this is it. And build installment credit, grow your worth. That's what's more important. And if you can walk down a 24-month installment payment to end up only paying $240, you've won. Because what I tell people to do is you don't have to be like on the hook dealing with Kovo for 24 months. I suggest that you make on-time payments for 6 months and then just go and pay it off on that 7th month. You're done. You have that good, outstanding looking account on your credit report. It looks like you got a loan and you just paid it off. You know what I'm saying? You made them payments. You graduated. And by the time you do that in 6 months, we're going to have your ability to make payments already established and everything. And we're rolling, and that's where we're going. That's what basically credit building is. And so Kovo and Kickoff, if you're credit building and you could not otherwise get any other credit, before you go out and get secured cards, I would suggest you really just kind of look into those companies. Click the links in my description and look into them, check them out. They're good companies. They do what they say they're going to do in their own time. Because you got some of these new credit building companies coming out that won't let you cancel. I've heard a lot of stuff about like Boost and Tomo Boost and other companies that they be tripping. And this is not that. This is not one of them. Otherwise, like, you've never seen me come on and endorse any credit builder companies at all, on my channel. Go back, look. But today I am, because they definitely are standouts and we need them. 2026, we're building credit. We're building credit. All right, guys. And I will tell you another one that I'm not going to show you, but I'll tell you this. If you have a little bit of credit already established and you don't have like a bunch of collections on your credit report, let's say your score, like if it's around like, I don't know, 550 or so, you can go to fingerhut.com and do their fresh start program. They'll start you off with maybe like $100 or $200, maybe three. But however, it's not even about that. It's about getting them reporting that that trade line on your credit report. And listen, like once you get approved, just go to their website online. I always say buy the lowest cost thing that they have. If they have something for like 60, $70, buy it. You're going to make like $8 a month payments on time every single month. Do this for about 90 days, right? And then you're going to really see like a big difference in your credit scores. It's going to start to get better, and that'll build you up so that you can actually get an unsecured credit card. So it's all about, building credit. It's actually building. It's not like a 30-day thing and your credit is built. It takes a little bit of time, but still, what's 90 days or even 6 months if you're coming back from horrible credit, and at the end of 6 months you got 2 or 3 unsecured credit cards with a $3,000, a $5,000, maybe even $10,000 limits on it. You're on your way. As long as you use it right, you're good. So I'm going to be coming back on to just share more about the different companies that I know, the different companies that I use for my own clients when we're doing credit building. I'm going to just start sharing them with you so that you can just have that information too and do some credit building. Let's do it together, guys. So I want to say happy holidays to every single person. Lord, I pulled up to the office today. I'm literally like the only person working at my office. Like I let everybody else off. Everybody is at home. I'm here shooting a video, to talk to you guys because I said I was coming back today. So here I am. But 2026, like I'm going to make it great, guys. And I hope you guys do too. God bless each and every one of you. Happy holidays. And we will talk after Christmas.